Hey everyone, it's 406 Rome here. I just wanted to show you my latest purchase to go with the adventures. I got this used 2021 Coachmen Expedition. Bought it in January, and some of the things I really like about this camper is that it comes with solar. It also has a hookup where you can add solar, and I do have another flexible panel that I can add to that. So all you do is plug it in right here, and then the inverter is in the pass bay, and then you've got power. The television runs just off of DC. Of course, you can plug it into shore power. It is plugged into shore power right now. I use corkscrew and a tie down for the awning because every once in a while the wind kicks up. I also have a Blackstone griddle. This is a 21-inch Adventure Ready with just an Ozark organizer. You can pick those up from Walmart. And we have the dog area. So the dogs love to come out here, hang out. And some more features that I really like about this. So it is a little taller, it's set up higher, and we've got a ladder so you can actually get on the top, cargo rack, and slide, and the shore power plug-in over here. All in all, it's a pretty great little camper. I think it will be a great addition for some of the adventures that I'm going to go on, and later on today I'll be taking some drone footage of this campground. See you soon.